for Fortuna as well by Sam Fender. We're going to be in standard tuning and playing with a capo on the 9th fret. We'll start off with this E bass chord. 5 on the D relative to capo, 4 on the G and 3 on the B. We're playing with pinky, 3rd and 2nd because of the chord move, the next chord move. So we play D, B, G, open B. We'll then play D, B, 4th fret on the G, pulling off to open. We'll then play the D, B, G, open B again, and then D, B, going down to 2nd fret on the G, pulling off to open. So we have we'll then go down to 4 on the D, 2 on the G, 3 on the B, again relative to capo. We'll pick pretty much the same picking. D, B, G, open B, D, B, 2nd fret on the G, pulling off to open. And we'll play this exactly the same again. So far slowly. Then I'm going to go to an A bass chord, 2nd finger, 3rd fret the A relative to capo, pinky finger, 5th fret the D, again relative to capo, and we're going to pick A, E, G, D, and then we'll put 1st finger, 2nd fret of the G, B, G, E, and we'll play this 4 times. And that's the whole thing. So we'll have the E shape, B shape, and the A shape 4 times.